Hello everyone. So today I will be discussing with you about a very new and cool feature of Salesforce, which is in beta version actually, and it has been most recently introduced in the recent release. So without wasting any time, let's go and see what that cool feature is. So here is my Salesforce org. I have opened one account record here, and in this account there are multiple contacts related to it. So if I just go and view all these related contacts here, so the new feature is that you can update multiple records or mass update these related contacts being on the same page here. So let me show you how. Let me select all of the contacts here and click on this update contacts button. This is nothing but a custom button that I have created. So click on update and let's update one of the fields of this contact. Let's say finance and click on save. It will ask whether you want to update these three selected records, then click on OK. So you see the department of all these three contact records have been updated with a single button in one single action without going to each and every contact. So I will show you how you can create this feature. I mean how you can create this particular scenario in your org as well to achieve this feature. So let's go to my different Salesforce org where I will show you step by step from scratch how you can build this particular configuration to utilize that new feature of Salesforce. So let's begin. First of all, you have to go to that object for whom you want to create the button. So same, we'll take the contact object here and create a button into this object. So under contact object, click on buttons links and create a new action, and this action will be a kind of update a record. So follow with me step by step. Let's name this button or action as update selected contacts, and then there is a option called success message. What happens when you successfully update the records? What post message you want to show on top of the page? So let's give it as updated contacts successfully. Okay, and we'll just save this. Now the button creation is done or the action creation is done. Now it will ask which or fields you want to be available in the layout. Once we click on the update button, it will open up a pop-up where it will ask which field you want to update. So what all fields you want to be available there. Let's remove this account here from here and add some meaningful fields like department, which you can update, description. Yeah, let's keep this much only. Save this layout. Now we have to go to this UI page of the Salesforce, and we want this action to be performed from the related list of account. Okay, so let's open any account record and let's open that account which has at least one related contact, or we can create related contacts for them as well. No problem. So we have to go to the Lightning app page or Lightning builder, basically edit page, where we have to bring that dynamic related feature, which is the beta version I told. So search for dynamic related list single. This is the new feature which Salesforce has introduced. Let's drag it over here, and in the related list, make it as contact. So you want the dynamic related list of contacts to be shown here. Okay. What all fields to be visible? Let's add department as well. Okay. And here is our main action. That is what all actions need to be present in this dynamic related. So there will be standard new button where you can click on and create a new contact record. And also additionally, there should be another button which we just created. See, this is showing as quick actions beta. So this is the new feature which is in beta version that Salesforce has introduced. So this is the update selected contacts action that we just created and then use it over here to be available. Then save this page. Let's activate it and make it as org default. Okay. Let's test. The configuration is done. Now we will test the same thing in the same manner that I showed you previously. So here is, you can see the contact dynamic contacts related list is here. Let's create 2 or 3 contacts just for testing purpose. Test contact 1. Save. Let's create one more contact and one more. Okay. Again, we'll just view these newly created contacts in this view and see there is our button here, update selected contacts. So let's select all the contacts and let's update the department field to finance or anything. Let it be science. Okay. Then save it. It will again ask for the confirmation. Okay. And see the message shows here updated contact successfully and the department is changed whatever we put. Let's update any 2 records instead of 3 and make it as finance. Save it. Confirm. Okay. And see those 2 records have been updated with the value we provided. So this is how you can actually perform mass update of records directly from the related list. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.